Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ready? Uncle is coming. Yay! Bye-bye! We wait for you here, okay? Sit down. Nice train. Yay! Train has arrived. Okay, your station has arrived. Come on. Oh, Uncle will open. How am I gonna load this on the truck?
Huge plates. I got 3 big plates for mine.
Walaikum assalam. Push. Masterpiece is ready. The bed is ready. And now we can rest and sleep. Very comfortable. And Arish can hang over there. Now Arish is going to show us how to hang up there. We have to put the bed a little backward, right?
See, I can do this.
Ooh, nice. Okay. Careful. Oh. So now it's time to build the
Bunk bed.
bunk bed. Let's work on it.